your girl Kiamani, and I'm back at it again with another video. And we have a 13 by 4 130% density 24-inch lace front wig, and as you can see, it came with all of those goodies in the box. If you notice and look on my hands, you can tell that I did dye this wig. So I dyed her jet black just because I think I look 30 times better with jet black hair. And since this is already a straight unit, it wasn't too hard for me to, straighten it out. The hair was basically straight after I blow dried her. I'm just going to silk her out with just a couple flat iron presses through the hair. And I use my same old turn up the volume heat protectant that I did get from Sally's. I am parting it in thin sections just to get it as silky as possible. The hair color that I used was Beijing. It's only like $3.99 a box, and I used 3 for this wig. You'll probably need more if the wig is thicker and or if you have more bundles. But yeah, I love this color. It doesn't fade or damage the hair. So if you were thinking about dyeing your hair jet black, I would definitely recommend you using that hair color. Didn't show you just because I've done this same process so many times in so many videos. I didn't want to bore you with that. So you can just refer to a previous video of mine if you are wondering how I do dye my hair jet black. Also, I do know that certain people don't have beauty supplies near them, and certain states, don't have beauty supplies, which is very hard for me to believe, but I know it's a thing. So if you don't have like a regular beauty supply, Sally's also does carry this hair dye. Look how silky and wonderful, and it's thick from root to tip. I love me a jet straight wig.
Yes, it's me, and yes, I'm back. I don't like that. So, this is where the hair hits me. Can you see it? And we're just gonna do a simple little swoop. I had dyed it. I dyed it jet black, and yeah, the hair is super silky. Wow. The hair is super silky, and one thing that I can say that I wish was different was I think my cap size is too big. She's a little she's not lumpy, but it's just like extra space in the back. And I be wanting my, when I do ponytails, I be wanting to be like slick. So I just have to finesse it a little bit more for that. But this is cute. We had already, the sound's coming I already installed her, because y'all seen me install my wigs like so many different times. So
I kept my hair in a cute little side part. I parted it and plucked her. I did need to pluck the hairline because it came perfect, and I kept her in the side part just like this, and I'm just showing you how it came out. It was so cute, and this is a classic style. So if you did want to pick up this wig, everything on her is going to be in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me always. I love you so much. Bye.